Alright, 2012. What was I doing in 2012? Some dope music came out. Trinidad James, Argo, everything, you feel what I'm saying? Tyga, Rack City Chick came out. And that was also when the Avengers first came out and the Hunger Games. But that was also the time when hooping sneakers were less than $100. And specifically, for All-Star Weekend, they decided to bring back the KD4s. Which is super dope because I remember this shoe retailed for $95.
That's all? You accept credit cards and cash?
But they did give us a new rendition. Today we're going to be talking about unboxing and reviewing the KD4 Year of the Dragon 2.0. Let's see what these things about.
And it's the means that they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology ain't.
Alright, what it is, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth. This is Keeknology, and today we're gonna be talking about a hooping sneaker that is well welcome in my opinion, man. 2012, I was younger than what I am now. It was a time when I actually did some hooping in the KD4s, along with a couple of other sneakers that I'm hoping that Nike is going to bring back this year. Was on my radar hardcore when I was on the gym floors. You feel what I'm saying? But before we get up into the content, man, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. We're on the race to 10K, and I would greatly appreciate it. What you're going to get from this channel, if this is your first time viewing, you're going to get all detailed reviews on feet and sneaker talk, sneaker news, and you're going to get some encouraging messages as well. So make sure you guys hit that notification bell and be tapped into the channel. Before we do what we always do, which is get up close and personal with these things, let me tell you guys that this is a 2.0. This was not a colorway that we seen back in 2012 when these shoes originally dropped. As I stated in the intro, the retail was $95 for these shoes, and now they're $130, $115, $130. Like, man, wow. Times have changed. You feel what I'm saying? But inflation is real. But the shoe that you see on the screen right here is the Year of the Dragon 1.0 of the original. This sneaker is currently sitting around $400, $600, and the retail was $95. This is the originator, and this is going to be the new make and model that they decide to give us this year. Now, will they be giving us the original? I highly doubt it, but that is yet to be determined. So let's go ahead and get up close and personal with these things. Let's go ahead and start with the box. As you can see, the shoes right here. We're gonna start with this box. A lot of detail on this box, kind of like a wood grain looking box right here. You see the KD logo, the Nike logo, and then it has like this dragon logo right there. This is a size 13. Shout out to my guy, King Kilo TV. I'll put his link down in my description. Make sure y'all go subscribe to my boy. But KD4, the colorway is khaki, red, and sesame, size 13. Retail was $115 or $130, one of the two. So as we open up the box, they did give us a little bit something special. They came in this cinch bag.
This is beautiful. What is that, velvet?
Kind of dope they gave us that. And then this tassel also came on it. They kind of hung on the side of the shoe. It looks like a little broom, man. As you guys can see right here, it has KD on it, wood grain, all that good stuff. So I don't know, could have been without it, but anyway, that's pretty much the box. All right, as we push this to the side and we take a look at the actual sneaker, man, this is going to be the KD4 Year of the Dragon 2.0. Typical KD4 model. As you guys can see right here, we have like that wood grain look on the strap with the red Nike swoosh right there that goes all the way around. It did come with brown laces. They don't come with any other laces outside of that brown, as you guys can see right there. The Nike check on the toe box. Material is okay. You have your mesh netting across the sides of it to give you a little bit more ventilation right there. They do have that Nike Zoom technology on it. The sesame across the sides, and then that hints of the red. On the bottom, you do have that traction that looks like the lightning bolts, because he was with the Thunder during the time that he wore these shoes, the 4s. So that's the reason why you have the lightning bolts on there. The KD right there on that cherry red on that bottom. As we continue to go around the back of it, it has more lightning bolts. And then on the back of the sneaker, we have the KD right there on the back with the dragon around the Nike logo, which is super dope, man. That detail on that is super dope, man. As we continue along on the inner side of the shoe, you have your two straps right there. I'm not sure what's behind here. I don't think it's anything behind here, so let's go ahead and unlace it just to see. As you guys can see, only thing behind there, it says that adaptive fit. That's it. The technology that they use, as you guys can see right there, going along the upper to the tongue, nothing different. Got the KD there. On the inner side of the shoe, let's see what's in the inside of it. Brown sock liner, and then it does have like a dragon in there with the KD logo and the Nike there. So as we look at the other one, it's going to be the exact same thing. You guys can see right here, nothing different, super clean. good performance sneaker. I'm not gonna say it's the best because I do feel like that for $130, I think that's a stretch for this shoe, in my opinion, especially when you're used to paying $95 for them. But hey, Nike, get your bread, and I know people gonna actually want these things, but that's pretty much it for the sneaker. Let's go ahead and close out this video. Alright, that's all I got for you guys. Let me know down in the comment section if this was a must cop for you guys. Resale ain't too bad on them. Details is good. Very good hooping shoe in my opinion. The traction is a little bit off, but y'all let me know below how y'all feel about the KD4. My favorite KD silhouette is the KD6s, so I would love for them to bring them back. I love the Weatherman. I love the Aunt Pearl, so super dope nostalgia purpose for them shoes, so I do love that. But yeah, let me know if y'all was able to hit on these things and it be something that y'all are wearing for leisure, or is this something that y'all are actually going to be putting on the court. I appreciate you guys tuning in as always. Y'all know the saying, man, rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything that we talk about is just bait, a way for me to share my faith. You guys be blessed. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Get they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the roof.